How you doing, guys? It's Elliot with the Bow Family, and today we're gonna teach you how to make a poppin' jerk chicken in the oven. A lot of people make it on the grill, but we're gonna make it in the oven. So we got a few things here that we use to make it, right? So I already chopped up my chicken. I already used the vinegar to clean it off. I love to do that just to keep everything nice and clean. So I chopped it up and I used some seasonings here first. So we have the Creole seasoning. Already put that in. All right, we have our all-purpose seasoning. We love it. You can use any kind that you have. We have ketchup for the sauce, and we have also chicken broth for the sauce. We have a sweet honey barbecue for the sauce, and this right here, guys, oh my gosh, sweet chili sauce, the best. You gotta get it for the sauce. So that's for the secret sauce, guys, and always make sure you use the chicken broth for the base. Now, this is what I didn't put in. Come take a closer look. I put black pepper in there already. So I didn't put this in yet. I put all the other seasonings in. So we're gonna kind of ram things up here, guys. All right. So I'm gonna take about 4, 2, 3, 4. Put this on the side. All right. And I already got that in there. So now I'm gonna put my garlic minced up and chopped fresh. Then I'm gonna put my onion. A lot of people don't put onions in there, but I think it adds really good flavor. Then I put my green onions. I like to put a lot of those. And then I got my all-purpose balls. Pimento seeds, pimento balls, and thyme. Got that already. And then I got tomatoes in there as well, add extra flavor. And then what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna add my oil, coconut oil. A lot of times it sticks up, as you can see. I use the organic unrefined one, and it kind of is, solidified in there. So you can put it in the pan on low heat just to break it down. This is gonna help make all of that seasoning stick together. And it's also going to stop it from sticking to the pan. So we're kind of just going to mix it up a little bit. Don't be afraid to, and this is 2 whole chickens that we have here. So don't be afraid, guys, to add as needed. We're going to add some more in there. However you like your spice level is how you should make it. Yeah, we like ours really spicy, so. Okay, boom. Now we got our pot right here. Put that on. I need about 1 pot. 1 pan, I mean. And we got this. Take all our seasonings, put it over, and all of this is gonna melt down on the chicken and make it cook really, really good. It's amazing, guys. Okay. Then we're gonna let that sit. And there you go. We got the oven here on 400. Okay, guys, so now we got the sauce, okay? As I said before, we have the ketchup, we have the sweet chili sauce, we have the sweet honey, and we have the chicken broth. We always use this as a base instead of the water, right? It takes away the power of the sauce. And then we have the complete seasoning. I sprinkled a little bit over that, some black pepper. This is the secret sauce right here. It's so good. You don't want it to be too runny, but then you want it to be a little thick, right? So it's just perfect, the sauce. After you allow it to cook until you get that brownish crust over it and most of that fluid gets out of it, then you're gonna cover it with the sauce. And there we go, guys. The oven is ready to take it. It's at 400 degrees. Okay, guys, this is the chicken after an hour and 15 minutes. I want to leave it on it for a little bit longer, then flip it. This is going to take a little bit of time, guys, because you want the right a texture on there. As you can see right here, it needs a little bit more browning. I want the browning to run throughout the top, and then I'm going to flip it again and hit it real quick with some more heat. But I'm just right now just throwing some of the juice over the chicken, and then I'm just going to let it cook for a little bit more. Wow, that looks so good. It smells so good. I wish we can set up a feature on YouTube where you can smell it. All right, guys, you see I got it in there. You get that real char-like look on it, and it's ready for the sauce. On my sauce. Thank you for watching the video, guys. It was super fun making this dish with you guys, the Jamaican style jerk chicken. Hopefully you guys will make it successfully. I need you guys to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me what you like about the video. And even if you want to see some other dishes that we can make Jamaican style or anything else, be sure to do that. Peace. It's the Bo family.